Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I went to the Dollar Tree again. I'm not even mad about it. I mean, I just love this store. It's just like, I don't understand why everybody on the planet does not shop at this store. So I got a lot of stuff. I actually got new planner stickers. I have the handmade Easter cards, which I was really excited about. I found a couple other Easter things. So let's just dive in and show you what I got. I'm gonna start with these tote bags that I got. I love these things. Look how beautiful that is. And it's huge. Look how big this thing is. And I love that they did the mint green on the inside of this one. And the handles, like the hot pink. I love this. I think that's so pretty. I almost want to like use this as a journal cover. Like, instead of, I think I might actually do that. I just think that's so pretty. And then I got this one. Didn't see what the side is red. This one is not my favorite. I really like that other pink one. But I really also like this this yellow one with the pink. I think that's so pretty. It totally reminds me of like strawberry lemonade. And then I love that they did the hot pink on the side panel and then the yellow handles. Yeah, really in love with these bags. All right, so let's look up. So then, like I said, I bought a couple more things for Easter. I have a couple foam. I told you before in my last Dollar Tree video that I'm gonna. I have like a holiday tree that I decorate, so I'm going to put these in there. I already have the garland, so I don't know if it's going to be like too much egg stuff, so I might need to figure out what I'm gonna do. I might not put the garland in here. I might just use these and then put ribbon around the tree, so I'll have to figure that out. And then I found these cute little plates and napkins. I like using these just for my like sandwiches and stuff like that. And then look how I found these cute little felt stickers that look like carrots. Aren't those so cute? And I don't know if you could see, I'm gonna open this. I don't know if you could see, but it has like two different colors. It's got like a darker outline to it. This is definitely, I mean, at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, these would definitely be at least you know, $4, like $3.99 for these. So I think these are really, really cute. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, all the other things that I found were, look how cute these are. I'm gonna open this real quick. I just want to see what it looks like. And it has the bunny ears. Isn't that, oh my god, these are so cute. They did those for Valentine's Day too, and I'm so happy about this because I hope they just keep doing these. Look, like when you, obviously if you had something in it, it would be different. It would look different, but like you cut it and it looks like little bunny ears. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with them, but I'm kind of thinking about maybe possibly stuffing them and just like sticking them in the tree as decor. That's kind of what I thought I would do with them, but really cute. Love that. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the card. Let's go ahead and look at the handmade cards for Easter. I love getting these. I have a lot of like church friends and just friends, and I like to give them to my coworkers, and so it's just a cute little thing to give people, and only for $1, I think it's really worth it. So I'll just go through the ones I bought. I'm pretty sure I'm missing a couple. There was a couple that were like cutesy, cartoony that I didn't buy, but I do think, I didn't know if the whole display that I saw did have like pockets that were empty, so I might not have all of them, but I have a majority of them. So this one is Easter greetings. I love this little, I just love that. I think it's so pretty with the watercolor flowers. And then may you have a joyous and loving Easter. That's sweet. And then it's got the yellow card, which I think is a great touch. I don't really like the kind of like fluorescent pink ribbon, but other than that, I really like that one. And then Easter wishes with all the different color eggs. Wishing you a wonderful Easter and springtime full of color and joy. And then it had the teal envelope. hip hopping into spring. Like that. I like that they have the yellow that matches the little ribbon. And then for someone special, this was probably my least favorite. I do like the purple though. And then this was, again, not my favorite. It is glittery. The church, like front of the church is glittery. I don't really understand the purple. I mean, I kind of can see it, I guess, because they have the purple and the flowers, but yeah, this one is probably not my favorite. Oh, this one I love. Easter greetings, especially for you. This geometric shape thing is really cool. I really like this one. Then Happy Easter. I love this one because it's an egg shape. Have an excellent, see, get it? Hey, excellent. Yeah. And then again, the purple. Easter tweetings. Instead of greetings, it's tweetings. Get it? Get it? Gotta love a good pun. Yeah. This one's really cute. I like the one in the middle. He's cute with the little glasses on. And then the little Easter basket. I love this. I like it when they do the ribbon. Wishing you a wonderful Easter and a springtime full of, oh, it's the same one. And then I got 2 of these because I loved these ones. Blessed are they that have not seen and yet have believed. I mean, this is really pretty to me, with the banner across and then the gold butterflies and this pretty yellow pattern. This gold foiled, you could probably see the camera in this, but it just says Easter greetings. I'm not sure if you can see, but it is embossed and it does say Easter greetings. And then it's all glittery around the outside. They really did a lot of purple envelopes. And I like this one. This one's cute with the sticking off the little thing. So those were the ones that I picked up. Again, I didn't buy a couple of them because they were a little bit too like cartoony for me. Okay, so other things that I purchased, I have a problem with these wall. I do use them though. I bought this one already, and I actually used a couple of the words. I actually cut them out for something that I was doing. So I wanted to buy another one so that I'd have a complete one still. And then I got this one. I think this one's really cute. Dance with fairies, ride a unicorn, swim with mermaids, catch rainbows. I think that's a great motto for life. Okay. And then I bought this pen. I don't think this is, oh, it's a Greenbrier. So it's a Greenbrier brand. It says it's a metallic marker. And I don't know what color it is. It doesn't have it on here, at least not from what I can see. There's no color on here, but it does say it's photo safe. So it's acid free. Oh, I guess it is white. All right. I'm not mad about that. But it's really weird that it doesn't say anywhere what color it is. I'm not mad that it's white. Okay. I bought another round puzzle. I think I actually already have this one, but I didn't know for sure if I had it, so I went ahead and just bought it. I really enjoy doing these puzzles. They're only 350 done one sitting, and it's really cool how it's round. The shapes of the puzzles make it a little bit challenging, but not like overly challenging that you don't want to do the puzzle anymore. Okay, and then I purchased one of these stick things. I'm gonna put it, I live in an apartment complex, and I have right outside my door, there's like a little walkway thing, and there's some like, dirt. And I'm gonna put it there and see if my apartment complex will let me have it there, because it's technically really like the common area. It's not really like my area. So I'm gonna do it and see. I have a little gnome thing that I bought at the 99-cent store. I have that sitting in that little area right there, and they haven't done anything with it, so I'm assuming it's okay. So that's what I'm gonna do with this. See if it works. And they did have this kind of gray color, but then they also had more of a darker, like a black color as well. And then I bought these zipper seal bags. I'm going to open these real quick. Yeah, they're a little bit thin. Yeah, so I bought these specifically because I need some of my enamel dot sets that I have are kind of, I needed to have like a way to keep them contained. So I like the shape of this, how it's like kind of longer. And I do like that they're a little bit thinner. I got the ones at Daiso Japan, but they're a little bit thicker. But I do like that these are thinner, so it won't take up too much room in that little box. So even though it says it's more like for a party thing, I'm going to use them for craft storage. And then I bought some other things. So I found this really cute pom-pom tassel charm. I don't really like that it has the 3 on here, so I think I'm going to take these 2 off and just use this one. But I will save these for other projects. So that's cute. I'm going to put that on my happy planner. And then I found 2 sets of planner stickers, and I'll go through these in a second. Let me just, I think I already have this or something very similar to it. But again, I wasn't 100% sure, so I went ahead and just got it. And I really like this one and this cute little mason jar. Okay, and then I have this one with the Vespa. I actually have some paper that has a little Vespa on it, so thinking maybe of doing like that would be a cute planner layout thing. I don't know. That's why I got that. I think that's cute. Okay, so let's look at these stickers. Okay, so first of all, I'm not really one for like cute like llama stickers. That's not really my thing. But if you just don't look at those stickers, there's a lot of other cute stickers in here. Like the cactuses are cute. I mean, enjoy your life. That's a cute sticker. I love these little hearts that are like the double heart. And one is like turquoise, and then there's a little double heart. And then the sunglasses are cute. And these stars are kind of like a, they're kind of like a rose gold iridescent color, which I think is kind of cute. And then, yeah, so today's plan, I love that sticker. So again, if you kind of look past the llama thing, which, I mean, I've actually done a llama spread before, and I probably will do one again. Because these are some pretty cute llamas. And then I love these stickers up here, and just, if you ever have, like, if your homework thing, I love the way that they did these, like, stickers, the way that the foil is. And then this one I've already used. I actually have this sticker sheet in another set, and I've used quite a bit of them. And then work and vacation. I love that vacation stickers. And payday stickers of different colors. I run into that a lot where I'm doing like a spread and I don't have a payday sticker that's like the color that I want it to match my thing or my spread. So I was happy about that. I'm not 100% sure about the danger stickers. Like, why would you put that in a planner? I don't know. I mean, Halloween maybe, but okay. And then this one was a cute little panda, and I don't know. This is like a little space travel one. Again, a little bit too cutesy for me, but they're really cute. I mean, that panda, he's super cute. I don't think I'll ever use it, but he's super cute. And then the foil on this is like a, again, kind of that, it's kind of like a pink, like a pink foil on it. I really like this sticker sheet. I thought that was really good. And then this actually would match the layout I just did. Actually, let me show you. I mean, look how good that matches with the pink and the green. I need to use a couple of these in here. get another sheet, that same sheet, and then that same sheet. So they double up on the sheets. But and then the other thing too is I really like this piece of it. I use these quite a bit in my planner for different planner layouts. I'm not sure if I have anything that I can show you. Oh yeah, here we go. Like this little piece right here. You know, I wanted this the lady not to be on the thing. I wanted her to kind of pop off the thing. So, I don't know. All right, and then just a couple more things. These are kind of householdy things. So I bought one of these brushes. Combs. I have this in my shower already, but sometimes I need to, so I wanted to grab another one. And then I just got some wipes for my table here. I just replaced some sponges that I have. And then these, I bought some socks. And then a YouTuber that I follow, she had used one of these when she was pumping gas. And I'm like, that is brilliant. Like, just stick this on while you pump gas. I don't know if it's like effective against like the coronavirus or anything, like if it's like, but I mean, it's better than putting your hands on that gas pump, and God only knows what's on that gas pump. So I'm going to put these in my car and use that for that. The other thing is I bought this washi tape. Pretty sure I already have this washi tape, but if I didn't, I wanted to make sure that I had it. It's basically like just leaves and twigs and acorns. So I like that. All right, and that is it. That's what I got at my Dollar Tree trip. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I will go ahead and leave a couple of other videos if you want to watch. And if you hit that circle in the middle that says happy to plan, it will subscribe you to my channel. And I hope that you guys had a great day, and we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.